How to make perfect thumbnails like Algrow. Yes, you heard it right. So to make thumbnails, we'll be using an application named Canva. It's available on PC as well as on mobile. And if you want the premium version of Canva for free, then here's a video for you. So back to the topic. We'll be using Algrow's this thumbnail for reference. So, at first, there are 3 things you need to consider while making thumbnails like Algrow. And the third tip is the most important one. Starting with tip number 1, that is, a solid background. If you noticed properly, Algrow uses red or any solid colored background in his videos. And he uses red color in most of his videos because red color attracts attention. So, the first thing you have to do is use red color as your background. Starting with second tip, that is, use of text and colors. So, if you notice that, Algrow always uses bold fonts. And the color combination of Algrow's thumbnail is just next level. So, all you have to do is use bold fonts and make some proper combinations of colors that are properly visible. Starting with third and most important tip, that is, proper use of graphics. So, if we will look at the thumbnails of Algrow, the use of graphics, text and elements is very less. So the way it helps is that it creates a kind of curiosity among viewers about the thumbnail, which forces them to click on the video, which directly increases your CTR. So all you have to do is use the elements and graphics properly in your video. So after these 3 tips, your thumbnail is ready. And by using these tips, you can recreate any Algrow's thumbnail. And here it is, how it looks. And don't forget to claim Canva Pro for free. The link is in the description. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. And subscribe for some awesome content.